Hi, welcome to eSpares, the channel that specialises in appliance repair, where we help you to fix it yourself. I'm Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the motor on an LG washing machine with a direct drive motor. As always, if you find this video helpful, please do leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. You'll know that the motor has broken inside your LG washing machine if it's making a squealing noise during a cycle and the drum isn't turning. This means that the motor is faulty and it needs to be replaced. Thankfully, this is a fix that you yourself can carry out at home without the need to call out a professional. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a socket set with a 17mm socket head. And of course, you'll need a new motor, and we'll provide a link to these in the description below. Safety first, always remember to switch off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. For this fix, we need to pull the machine out from underneath the countertop. Now I need to remove the rear panel of the appliance by undoing the Phillips head screws that keep it in place. With the back panel removed, here we can see the motor, which is behind the rotor here. Now to access the motor, we need to take the rotor off by undoing this large bolt at the back using our socket set. Now I'm going to use a pair of gloves to hold on to the rotor as I undo the nut, and there may be some sharp edges, so I'm just protecting my hands. In order to remove the direct drive motor from the machine, we need to undo these 6 bolts using our 10mm spanner. Then to remove the direct drive motor completely from the machine, just need to take off the 2 electrical connections, like so. When searching for a new direct drive motor on the eSpares website, you're going to need to know your appliance model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular appliance. Now, if you don't know where to find the model number, don't worry, check out our video here, which will give you all the information you could possibly need. To fit your new motor, connect the electrical connections first. And then you can put it into position and screw in the bolts. To refit the rotor, carefully fit it over the motor and the spindle at the back. And then refit the bolt and washer in the center. To refit the back panel, simply push it into position and then screw in the 4 Phillips head screws. So there we have it, how to replace the motor on an LG washing machine with a direct drive motor. Hopefully your machine is working perfectly once more. Now the motor is one of a number of things that can go wrong in a washing machine in relation to the drum. If you have any kind of drum problems in your washing machine and you don't know how to diagnose it, check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know and how to fix it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things e-spares. Energy saving tips, money saving tips, repair guides, maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.